Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy. Well, I know I said I wouldn't shop for yarn anymore, but well, I had no choice but to go out anyway, and ended up going in Aldi, as I mentioned earlier in my Rocks chat. But I also popped in to B&M because we had to get some brackets for hanging baskets. So as I was in there, would have been rude not to look at the yarn. And as you know, those of you that have been watching me, I have a little baby on the horizon. So I thought, well, a little bit of baby yarn wouldn't hurt, even though I have a room full of other stuff. Never mind. So I've got a couple of my little Poundland bags at the ready so that I can just drop it in when I show it to you. But yeah, I've got quite a bit actually. They had some unusual ones in that I hadn't seen before. So I thought, why not? But because I normally struggle, this time I've written it all down. So that should be fine this time. So I will start with the... well, I'll start with this one first because you have seen me get the sparkle yarn from them before. This is the Deluxe Baby Sparkle and it costs £1.99. It's machine washable and they're 100-gram balls. But the reason I got this was because it was a much brighter blue than the other one. The one I got before was a very, very pale. This one's coming up a little bit paler on the screen, but if you look inside, you can see it's kind of more of a brighter colour. It's just a little bit of a brighter blue. And so I thought this would go nicely with it. So I got 1, 2 and 3. That one didn't have a yarn band, but it was all there. So yeah, I got 3 of those and I loved them. So as I said, the sparkle, it's machine washable. 300 meters in it and it's 95% acrylic and 5% metallic, which is lurex. So they're lovely and soft anyway, but I just wanted to get that one because the other blue I got was very, very pale. So I didn't realize this until I got to the checkout that these baby yarns that I got were actually £1.49, and so I got a few colors. I got 2 of the lemon. Isn't that a lovely colour, lemon? I've been struggling to find a really good lemon colour, so I'm really glad that I got them. Now the lemon one, the item number is K332. So these are 100 grams, 300 meters, which isn't too bad at all, 100% acrylic, and they're machine washable. So I got 2 lemon. And I got 2 of the blue. I think this is a lovely blue. And I got 2 of the pink. Isn't that lovely pink? But I don't know what sex the baby is yet, obviously. And I got some of these sort of turquoisey green colour. And I got 4 of those so that I'd have more than enough to make something with. So I didn't end there though. That was just that particular baby yarn. What I really loved about them is the fact that they're machine washable, just the same as the others, and £1.49 a ball. That's unbelievable. Everywhere else you can get it for about £1.99 at least, but £1.49 a ball. I think they're doing that because obviously if you went to Poundland you would get a 50-gram ball and you get 3 for 2. So they're kind of trying to make that work out similar price if you're just getting that. But then I got some of this and I absolutely love this. Now I'm not sure if it's going to show up too well. Yeah, it does. It's got like little spots. Can you see that? It's pink with darker pink spots. And this is chunky yarn. And I need a bag. Hang on, I should have got a bag out first. Let's move that one out the way and get another one. I've got one with unicorns on this time, just so that I don't want to throw them on the floor. The floor's clean, but you know what I mean. Don't really want to throw baby yarn on the floor. I can't open the bag. There we go. It's a bit floppy. Have to hold it for now. So with the pink, I'll tell you all about it once I've put it away. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. So I'll show it to you up close again. It's just really lovely. It's ever so soft. It's really, really squishy soft. And what a beautiful colour. And with the little spot. Now you may remember some time ago I got blue. I did buy the blue and everybody loved that. So let me tell you a bit about this one. It's called Chunky Deluxe Spot. It's £1.99 a ball. And again, it's machine washable, which is brilliant. You get 160 metres in the Chunky, 100% acrylic. And the pink one, the item number, if you wanted to know, is H1266. And I didn't tell you the item numbers of that baby yarn. If you want it, I will put it in the description box below. But the turquoise had a very long number of 41001113. Pink was K769. Blue was K544. And the lemon was K332. But I will put all that, I was going to say stick. I will stick all that in the description box below if you want to see it. I'll put all of the information on all of the yarns in the description box below if you want to see them. So the pink then of the big spot, chunky pink spot, was H1266. So although I have 3 of those blues, I decided to get 2 more. They only had 2 anyway, so that takes me up to 5, exactly the same as the pink. And it is absolutely lovely. Look, the pink is nice, but the blue I think is even better because they've got more vibrant spots. It's lovely. It's so soft. I did get some of that before. I haven't used it yet, but I will. And the blue, if you need the blue, it's H1265. But that wasn't all. I did get one more colour, and just get it out. Sorry about the rustling. They don't give you rustle-free bags. Would be nice. Numbable. I've got it all in this giant sack, humongous sack. So I got a white with multicoloured spots on. Look at that. I think that's so cute. It's like little candy spots. And they've got all colours. There's pink and blue and green and yellow. So you can use it for any sex, which I like a lot. And I got 1, 2. There's always a bit sticking out. 3, 4. There wasn't 5 of these. Well, there might have been, but I just got 4. But they are so soft. This was unbelievable soft, really. I'm kind of a bit gobsmacked. It feels more like a premium acrylic rather than just 100% acrylic. So let me tell you about that one. The white one, the number is H1263. So I got lots, as you can see, just to keep me busy baby crocheting. This is what I made with the sparkle yarn that I got before. It does actually look like it was the brighter blue, but I know I did have a very pale one because they had them both on the shelf. But this is the one I made I like to call this the box granny, and there is a tutorial for this blanket on my playlists. I will pop a link into the description box. If I can remember, I'll put a card up. But I'm going to do this one as a left-handed tutorial as well for those that wanted the left-handed ones. But I love this way of making a granny. It's more of a modern twist on it. But I made that with the sparkle, and that was all of the colours. I don't know if you can see the sparkle. Probably not. But that's all of the colours. Yeah, there it is, of the sparkle. But they didn't have a great deal in. They had the purple and had the blue, but only 2 balls. So I didn't really need any more of that anyway. I just was so blown away by the baby yarn. Hang on, I'll get one. Because it's so soft, you know, it's really lovely stuff. It doesn't feel in the slightest bit, you know, for £1.49, I'm really shocked at how soft it is. And the colours are lovely. Really, really bright, vibrant colours. So, going to have fun with all that lot. I can't wait to start making some stuff. At least it's getting my creativity moving And I've got my work cut out for me anyway, haven't I? With a new baby coming. So thank you so much for watching. And if there's a B&M near you, it is well worth the queue. That's all I can say. So stay safe, everyone, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.